Hello, I decided to go to MOWLEM Heights, which is about 500 meters from Kangundo Road, a few other meters from MOWLEM Police Station. Apart from the security details of this place, the first thing I noticed is this small school. I thought it was a kindergarten, and yes, I found out it was a kindergarten and a daycare center that goes up to PP2 within the compound. I also noticed while I was waiting at the gate that the security details would not let children walk out outside the gate without a well-known adult. The houses are spacious, the compound is spacious and with enough play area for children, and the security is superb. Imagine when your child is starting school and starting it within a very controlled environment, safe environment, and just close to home. In case of anything, you can just walk into the school from your house. I think this was an incredible idea. Security, like I said, is not a question in this place. Walking into the living room, I noticed how spacious and well lit this living room is, because you can see I am recording and shooting without turning on the lights. This is all natural lighting. I also noticed the details of these windows where you can have your little garden just right outside your window, and the big beautiful wallpaper. I love this wallpaper. But guess what, guys, these houses go for 30,000 Kenyan shillings per month for the 2-bedroom. 30,000 Kenyan shillings per month for a beautiful house like this, with an open kitchen, with a washing area. Look at this washing area. It is spacious enough to put your washing machine, or also hand washing, and also hanging your clothes. 30,000 per month is inclusive of security fees, water bills, and everything else that comes with living at MOWLEM Heights. Guys, I think this is a good deal. Noticing there are different types of tiles from the living room to the washing area, and the tiles in the bedroom are also different. This is a beautiful house. I also like this door. This white door has some class to it, some American feel to it. The master bedroom has some nice features with a large window, and also the toilet, of course, with nice tiles on the wall and also on the floor. And the wardrobe is also very large, as you have seen. You've noticed the tiles. The tiles are different in every room, but both the bedrooms share the same type of tiles. Walking to the corridor, there is one more washroom and bathroom, the one that the guests use in the corridor. You've noticed it's also well detailed. The second bedroom looks just like the master bedroom, just that it's smaller, but the cabinets are large enough to hold enough items for the family if you have a family. That these things on the wall, this wallpaper on the wall, I think it's just a small detail that looks nice. These are the cabinets for the smaller bedroom, the second bedroom. You see, they have enough space. These are the cabinets for the master bedroom. I went back to the master bedroom to show you the difference and how large. They couldn't even fit to the frame of my camera. The supply of water at MOWLEM Heights is 24/7 because they have borehole water and fresh water. So if one fails, the other one will be there to serve you. Like I said, there's some details about these doors that just looks American style. Now, this is a 2-bedroom apartment that is a furnished showroom that goes for 6.5 million shillings. That is negotiable. I do not know about you, but MOWLEM Heights is the way to go because these houses are not only affordable for you to buy or rent, but they also are negotiable for you to negotiate how you would like to pay, when you would like to pay, just a payment plan that works for you, and also how much would you be able to pay. And then something else about this apartment is that the 1-bedroom apartments that are already full go for 4.5 million shillings. The 1-bedroom apartments goes for 4.5 million shillings. That is negotiable. You can still negotiate under that and your payment plan. And also the ones that are occupied by tenants, you can still buy them and continue being the landlord of that tenant that is occupying the house that you're buying. The 2-bedroom apartments goes for 6.5 negotiable. 1-bedroom goes for 4.5 million Kenyan shillings. That is still negotiable. The 1-bedroom for rental goes for 20,000 shillings, though they are all full. In case you want to buy, it goes for 4.5 million Kenyan shillings. Please subscribe, like, and share this channel. Bye.